Hello friends, this is Sauvagya and you are watching Art and Click. In this video, we'll discuss about how to make a simple logo. This is a project work, a logo design for a client. I showed this graphics to my client and he was happy with the output. This is regarding a print business like t-shirt prints, jogs, mugs, printed mugs, all those things. So I will show you how to develop it. This is not the fair version, and I just illustrated and send him. I'm going to do it fairly. So let me start with the circle, shift. You can see I made a circle and color. You can pick any color. It will follow the color. So I'll then let's make it a bit smaller. Control C, Control V. One more. Then take color from here. Control C, Control V. Then take color from here. And how to make this ring? It's very simple. Right click, transform, scale. I will go for 80% and copy. If you on preview, then it will show you how it will look, and copy. And so this is how it comes. I need to make it another color so that the pathfinder will look better. This is pathfinder. If you are not finding a pathfinder, then go to window and click here on pathfinder or shift control F9. I don't remember all the commands, so I follow the basic things that I need frequently, and I follow from this visual user interface. I check it, and so pathfinder is here. You see it's invisible now. It's gone and it's back now. So select these two circles, and here are options. This will join, this will keep one, and keep this. These are symbolic things. So I need this. Yes, I got the ring. And let me keep the ring this color, and so I put it here. I don't need to put it here. And let me superimpose this like this, and Control C, Control V. Have a look. So good to go. And these two lines, and I have to make these two relevant and visually similar. It need not be completely exact, but I have to make sure. I think shall I make it a bit larger? More larger, maybe. And here comes the trick. Here comes the trick, that is we need a rectangle. Is it visually similar? This needs to be bigger. Well, it will be a deviant look. Let us see how it comes. We can change further. And I'm going for a rectangle with this dimension. Look, going good. I don't need this, so I need again Pathfinder. Let's break everything. It's not selected. Now both are selected. Now I'm breaking everything. I don't need this. I have to ungroup before I choose individual parts. I don't need. I need this. Now I have to have a backup. The same size. Now I have to take this into picture. This and shift this. Now again break it. What did it do? Okay. Now again ungroup it. So here I don't need this. Delete it. Delete it. No, don't delete it. Bring it to this and let it be. We'll see. Delete. Delete. Oh no. I think we need both. We need to select all. Yes, we need to select all. Now break it. Now ungroup it. So this, let it be this blue color, and this with this, and this small one I have to enlarge to select this, make it single, and let it be this color. I don't need this now. I don't need this now. Now what happened to this? So whatever, we'll see it. And now shift, select everything and make it a single piece, and take the color from here. If you find some of these elements still visible, then it's not an issue. It's not an issue. We are working at 3200% scale, and this thing, bring it to this down arrow, delete. Oh no, delete. Now we got this partially. Delete. So we got this. Now the same thing to do with this, select, and this control, sorry, shift, select first this, we call it selection tool V. Now select both these two elements, now break it through Pathfinder and group, ungroup it, now break it. No, there is something wrong here, delete, delete. Well, did we get what we desired? Yes, absolutely, we got it. We got what we desired, but wait, we don't need this. Well, is this curve convincing? Is this curve fully convincing? Here I think we need something manual. Yes, here there is, we don't need this, so we go to pen tool, and here is plus and minus, go to minus and delete it, delete it, and let us see how does it look now. Better, but wait, I believe we need to do something here, and let us let us bring it to here, and this is to be done with a preciseness, and this is where you need little bit artistic skill. I'll follow this tool, I'll follow this route. Oh no, wait, now this is the loop we need to play with. This is an easier job compared to modifying that old stuff. So let us see how to do it. And this, this is here, this is here. So what if I put it here? So am I going right? Now just have a look. I think this end point that needs a little shift better, and this point too. This point needs bit extension. Need to make it foolproof. Yes, better. So this was bit challenging, and I believe this will take a little more curvy. And let us see this. Is it better? Well, there is one more. This is not 90°. That is essential. Now I can go back to pen minus. Now shift it. We moved it little more. So this is a bit tricky. Now no, this. Now let us add a point here. Let us add a point here, and let us move it to a proper place. My experience in logo design is you do 80% of things within 20% of time, and we take 20% of 80% of time to fine tune that 20%. That's it, and let us connect it to here. Still some improvement required. Is it looking better? Well, I believe this curve needs to be little fine-tuned. I'll bring this to down, and this way. Did I do it more? Yes, probably. It was not completely 90°, but anyway, it is not looking bad. And here little shifting. No, this went too far. And yes, better. And Does it look good? This curve, I think it entered too much, so this and this. Here we need little fine tune, I believe. Let us see how does it look. I think it will go a little up. Much convincing. And let us take this color from here. I think it's good to go. Now, okay, what is this? Delete. Now these two yellows needs to be combined. I combined. Done. Well, I have to make one more rectangle and one circle. For this part, I'm doing one rectangle with preferably this thickness. Good. Good. And next is this. Looking good. We need to zoom it high to make minor moves. And let us combine it. We don't need this, so I'm combining these two. Combine. Now we are reachable to here. I think this we don't need so big line. We can make it bit smaller, and one small circle. Control V, shift and reduce. Good to go. And no, now shift. Is there anything wrong? Yes, this was better. Shift. I need to match this diameter with this. I'm just matching it manually. Now zoom it. And shift. better, I think better, and let us see what happens. Is it good to go? Much better, and that thing I think it's good. Now simply combine it. Done. And this entire color, take it from here. I prefer a vibrant color. We'll move with this color. Well, I did one small mistake. I can go back. I need this circle again. Control C, Control V. Where is it copying? Control C, Control V. I don't know where it is copying. I don't know where it is copying. Why is it not visible? Well, now it is copying. We need this here. And now combine it. Alt click to create a compound shape anyway. Now go to sky color again. Go to sky color. So it's all done. We don't need this. I kept it for references. We don't need this anymore. I'm keeping it outside. And we got the graphics, and rest is insertion graphics. I will just type it. Insertion graphics and choosing font. Let it be bigger. Oh, this was a good font. This was a good font, but this will not match to the style of I. If we enlarge it, let us see how does it look. Will it match? Let me first combine it into a group and let me bring it to front. What are these? Combine it. What are these? Are there any flaws? No, I think these are negligible. And if I bring it to here, and this circle insertion graphics, I need to bring this text to back. Send to back. Control C, V. And I love this graphics, and if the client wants any changes, I'll change it, but I believe this is a good graphics. These two needs to be in white, so this text is now not visible. After I make a rectangle, it will be visible. Take the color from here. Oh no, take the color from here and bring it to here. Now I need to send it to back. So does it look good? Bring this yellow from here. So this is how it looks finally. I think we can bring it bit down. And better. So this is how it looks, and I'm saving, and these are all elements I want to preserve it as a backup. Save as infographics final. Okay, I will prefer to give a PDF file to the client. So there will be two files, one in black and white, another one in color, but do we need it? If the client wants, I will give. So far it is good to go. Just let us keep it into one group. Let us keep it one group, and let me make a border. I'll keep a light border, gray border. Yes. Good to go. Now file, edit the document size. This is the final step. Edit artboard. Why to keep unnecessary space here? So now there is a catch here. We don't need these graphics. And now Control A. It is good to keep the content in middle, and there are some unwanted elements. I'm deleting it. So we are at the final step. I'm going to give the client in two format. One is the original format. I don't want to give in AI because that is not a universal format. I'll give in PDF. So that is one final PDF format. And yes, and second is the exported format. Export for screens, I'll go for 8x. Let us see how 8x comes. I don't need, I will export in PNG form, not as screens. Export as JPEG. So I am in Toollancer. Let us put it into PNG format. PNG export. I'll keep it for 300 dpi, and I have to check what becomes the resolution. Two 1900 2000. I will make it bit bigger. Export as, I want to keep it, yes. I will make it to other. I'll keep it to 600 dpi. Okay, that is one format, and one JPEG, because in preview JPEG and PNG doesn't look the same. Save as JPEG. PNG for, oh sorry, export as JPEG. Export CMYK. Yes, CMYK is good for printable versions, and I prefer logo because it may be printed in visiting cards, t-shirts, wherever we need to print it physically. So CMYK format is good for that. Quality maximum, standard 600 ppi, fine. Okay, and let us see how it has come. If there is any flaw, it will show here. There is no flaw. And this is the PNG format, this is the JPEG format. I think it's good to go. And here, Rohit, this is the end of the tutorial. So if you like the content of this channel, if you find these tutorials are helpful for you, this is a completely professional work, screen recorded for new logo designers to make their works easier. And even I am also learning. If you have any better advice to do things in a better manner, I am open to those valuable inputs. And if you like the content of this channel, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.